X Empire token is about to go live, okay, on major exchanges, and this video is all about the live listing of X Empire. We want to see the comparison between the prediction that I have done before on this very channel and what actually turns out on X Empire. So 3 minutes from now, as you can see from this clock, the market is going to go down in live, and X Empire is going to be live on the market, and this is very important right now. So I will be talking about the price prediction for X Empire live here and see the market capitalization on CoinMarketCap, as you can see on my screen right at this very point. And we're going to do price prediction as well, and also should you hold your token for the bull market. All of this in this very video, so stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the very end. Let's see what actually happened to X Empire as we await this very listing in just 2 minutes from now. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto and educational content. So X Empire on CoinMarketCap, as you can see right here, the data, the total supply is 690 billion, okay, which is very significant. And then the max supply is 690 billion, and it's about to go down because, as you can see right now, there is no data on this very page. So once the market go live, we're going to look at market capitalization and also look at the listing price. And also on TradingView right here, there is no data yet, but we're going to go all through over all of this and see how this play out compared to the token we already have as allocation, and also find out whether the airdrop cook or not. And this is very important. And if you multiply this by 0.305, you're going to have this as market capitalization. That means your focus should be 0.305 for X Empire. That is where I am expecting the market to start from. But a 0.302 is also possible, okay, with this market capitalization. But I'm looking at 0.0005, okay, which is 345 market capitalization, and this is very important. That is if we see the whole of the token come into circulation. Now, just like they've said that they're going to release 75% of this very token to airdroppers, which means 75% of these is going to give us this quantity of tokens. So this multiplied by 0.0005, we're going to have this as a market capitalization, which is $258 million as market capitalization. So this can play out significantly, okay, and the market can move all the way to 0.308, which is very, very possible. So cut down your expectation before the listing comes on board, which is very important right now. And I believe we should be having the listing right now on major exchanges. So as you can see right here, this is BitGet, and this is about to go down. So if we go back on BitGet and check on this very chart and try to search for X Empire, the market started at 0.401, and then right now is at 0.408. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. See, the market did not even reach that quantity. Look at what is going on right now on CoinMarketCap. Let me refresh this page and see what is live now on CoinMarketCap. Okay, right now there is no capitalization yet, but we can see few data. Okay, let's wait a minute and see what is going to come out of this very page, because I really want to see the market capitalization of this very token. Say self-reporting supply is 483 billion. Okay, so this is drastically reduced, but even at that, look at the price we are seeing right now on BitGet, which is not very significant. It's not good at all. This is 4 zeros. Look at 407, which is far way below expectation. What this means is, if you get this token and if you have, let's say for example, 10 million of this very token, okay, 10 million of this token multiplied by 0.00007, that is $700. But the question is, how many person got 10 million of this very token right now to make a $700? That means 7 divided by 2 is for people that have, 5 million of this very token as airdrop, which is $350 right now. And this is not also significant because how many person got 5 million of this token from airdrop, which I know a lot of person would do, but this is not also very significant. Although we can say that X Empire did not list very well because pre-market was far way above 0.407. This is 0.407, which is very, very low at the moment. Now, from what we have right here and what we see on coin market cap as circulating supply, we can get the market capitalization of this very token. So if we do 483 billion of this very token multiplied by the current market price, we will have the market capitalization. So if we do this quickly, that is 483 billion multiplied by 0.00007. Okay, this is a very poor listing. I can tell you this is a very poor listing. This is 33 million market capitalization. 33 million market capitalization is very, very small compared to what other airdrop has done in the past. I know that in recent time, projects like this have been doing pretty bad, okay? But this is another bad project. I can tell you that for free. If you look at what is going on TradingView, markets just shoot all the way to the upside, which is normal with every new token. Market is going to pump and then begin to come back to the downside. And that is what we are seeing right now. That is not an exception. It's common with a lot of new tokens. And you can see on CoinMarketCap, just 483 billion circulating supply out of 690 billion token. And for me, I can see it for free that this was a very bad listing. This listing is not good at all. In my opinion, it's not good at all. Look at it, market is still going to come back all the way to the downside because market cannot just pump all the way to 0.0005, which is 305. If the participants, okay, that is buyers and sellers, did not see the coin to be promising or the token to be promising. And that is exact same thing we are seeing right here, because if there is market expectation, that is market sentiment, and the price now do below market sentiment, it means that the price of the token have capacity of not doing well even with time. And that is exactly what we are seeing with X Empire right now. The expectation was at least 0.301, okay, but that go below that to 0.401. Even personally, I was expecting 0.305, but what we see right here is 0.401, and right now, but what we see right here is that market is at 0.408. The market did not do very well as expected by so many persons. Like I said earlier, I was not expecting X Empire to do that much, and that is why I always talk about cutting down your expectation and expect less on token and projects like this, which is very important right now. So the coin market cap data is not yet out. Let me refresh this page and see if the data is now available. You see that the data is not available yet, which I believe it should very, very soon. But if you look at TradingView, the chart is still looking very bullish, but from perspective of market sentiment, this market is not going to do very, very well all the way to the upside. I am not expecting the market to just pump all the way to the upside anymore because of this poor listing. Market can move a little bit upward to 0.301, 0.302, 0.303, and then begin to come down. It cannot even do 0.305 again, in my opinion, for X Empire right now, because this is a very poor listing and even below market sentiment. So this is what you need to understand right now, guys. So let's wait for the market to react a little bit and see what we are going to see out of this very movement to the upside. So about 15-minute down listing, and the price is still sitting at 0.4078. And from my own perspective, I don't think X Empire is going to cross 0.303. Okay, and we're going to see a massive dump all the way to the downside, because a lot of airdroppers are going to set off because of disappointment from this very airdrop and this very token. So right now, guys, you may be thinking, should I hold my X Empire token or should I sell off? Now, very importantly, if you invested some little money into this very airdrop, you need to collect profits and relax, because that's very important. So if you invested maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, $50, as the case may be, you can sell off your token and relax, okay, and wait for maybe another project or something like that. But if you want to hold for long term, let's say for example, you invested very little and you want to hold for long term, I would say yes, you can hold for long term. If you hold for long term, since you get the token from airdrop, it will be profitable because we are already in the bull market, and the market will have capacity of moving all the way to the upside, especially from what we are seeing right here. But in the next 2-3 days, you're going to see the market pump a little bit upward and then begin to dump drastically. That is what used to happen to new listed token, which is normal. But for X Empire, I think this case is going to be worse a little bit, because this very listing is far below market sentiment, and the sentiment have now become very, very bad for this very token, and market is going to dump afterward, and this is very important right now. So if you're thinking of buying X Empire, I would say wait, don't buy right now where the market is. Wait for the market to pump a little bit upward, and then that massive dump will come into the market so that you can buy at a very lower prices if you did not get this token from airdrop, and for the market to move upward, for it to collect profits from short-term trading. And this is very important right now. Now, I am not saying that X Empire should be the token that you should hold for long-term in the bull market. No, far from it. There are other good layer one meme coins and other altcoins that you can hold for the bull market. X Empire, no for it. And what I'm simply saying is that if you want to trade X Empire for short-term trading, or you call it day trading, then don't buy right here. Wait for all this drama to end. Market can pump all the way upward, which is what I'm expecting, then come all the way down, and that is when you can then buy for day trading to make a little bit profit off the table from this very token. And this is very important right now. So if you get this token from airdrop and you want to hold for long term, it is fine, because when you do that, market is going to definitely increase, because we're already in a bull market, all the way to the upside on the long term, and you're going to make a reasonable amount from it. But if you want to sell off for profit, there is some problem about that as well. You can as well sell off your token for profit and move on to the next project or the next airdrop. X Empire did not do well. I am just saying it from my opinion. And as you can see right now, the market does not seem as if it's moving all the way to the upside on BitGet right here, XUSDT, and this is just the 4-hour chart. So if I move over to the 1-hour chart right here, you can see it's the same thing. Even though I go back to 15 minutes, it will still be the same thing, because this is a newly listed token. All of us that is mining airdrop, we need to be very careful in putting money into airdrops. We need to consider our risks, because our risks may turn out to be very bad, which is also very fine when it comes to risk taking. That is why before you take any risks, you must have to reconsider your risks very, very well, and take risks based on your risk appetite. Do your research and ensure that your research apply before taking any risks, especially on this play to earn project on Telegram. Don't just put money right there and then think about a very huge return. It can as well fail, and it can as well move all the way to the upside. And that is why you need to consider it very, very importantly. So this is what we are seeing right now, guys, as X Empire listing. This is where the market is right now. Remember, you can't catch the market at this very point, because this is where the listing starts. So you can now sell maybe after 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes, which is where the price have been within this very area of 0.407 and 0.408. This is what we now see from X Empire right now, and this is live. Okay, I decided to do this thing live so that we can see what the price prediction have been and what we have been expecting from this very token. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Also, you can join our channel, our Telegram channel, for more crypto updates and compelling technical analysis. The link in the description of this very video, that will be the first link, and also the link in the pinned comment. Check it right now and join. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.